everybody. So today is day 3 and actually we don't have anything planned for today. It's supposed to be our rest day, which I think is much needed. I need to go to a pharmacy to look for some face creams and also a lip balm because my lips are chappy as heck. So yeah, I need a lip balm. Oh, also I am on my own, so I am discovering the neighborhood by myself, and I am going to try to buy stuff with my very limited French, so that will be good practice for me. Okay, I'm done with the pharmacy. It was so hot inside to take out my jacket, and I shall go to the Boulangerie now. Okay, I got my desserts and my croissant, so I'm going to make my way home now. So I am back from my little outing, and I thought I will do an unboxing today. Ta-da! Okay, so when I went to outlets the other day, I got some stuff from Longchamp and also Prada, but we will save the best for last. And so I'll just show you quickly what I got from the pharmacy today first. So I went to the pharmacy nearby. There is a pharmacy in Paris called City Pharma on Rue du Faux or something like that, and they usually have more choices and apparently they are cheaper, but I didn't want to go all the way there, and it's really crowded there as well. So anyways, in this pharmacy the deals were okay, so I thought I'd just get it here. I got all La Roche-Posay products because I love La Roche-Posay, and first I got 2 of these. These are the usuals, my Effaclar Duo Plus. There is an offer where it comes with a free face foaming gel wash, which I think is really good for traveling. And these are the ones I usually use, and it is €13.50, which is cheaper than if I were to buy in Malaysia. I got my usual sunscreen. This is the anti-imperfection one. It's slightly watery, but I really like it because it has salicylic acid as well. And this one is particularly for oily skin, which is what I have. So I got this one, and this one is €17.90. Has SPF 50+, so that's really good. Next, I got the Retinol Serum. I've not tried this before. This is also from La Roche-Posay. This one is pricier. It's like €32.90, which is a bit on the pricey side. And the last thing I got is a pure vitamin C serum. I currently use the class 1, but the thing with the class 1, the bottle is transparent. It's a transparent bottle, so the vitamin C serum oxidizes a lot. This one is also the same as the retinol. It's 32 € 90 for 30 ml as well, which is actually, I think, not a lot. That's my pharmacy haul. So let's put this aside. Okay, so when we went to the outlet store, we had gone to a few shops and there were a few options, but I wanted to get a bag from Saint Laurent, but they didn't really have things that I like there, so I didn't get anything there. But I did go to Longchamp, and obviously I got something. Ta-da! Okay, I'm just gonna open this. It is the pliage bag, which I currently have one in the small size with the long handle, and it's beige. So this time I wanted to get a smaller size with the short handle. So this is the thing. So yeah, when you expand it, it is this side. I was debating if I wanted the long or the short handle, and since I already have one with the long handle, I thought I'd just get one with the short handle. They have quite a lot of color choices, and I was deciding between a bright red and a black, but I decided to go with black because just so that it matches better with most of my clothes. This one was, how much was it? 75 euros, which is obviously cheaper than if I were to buy in Malaysia, and I get to de-tax it. And my final haul is from Prada. I'm super proud of this purchase because it is my first luxury bag. I was considering a bag from Burberry, as you would have seen in the video, and then I went to Prada and then I saw this one and it was what I wanted. Ta-da! This is my new baby. It is a little shoulder bag. It is black leather and it has the gold hardware right at the front, and so you can let the chain go and it becomes like a crossbody bag, or you could double it and it becomes a shoulder bag, so like this, which I think is really cute. It has a good amount of space inside. It has like a little slot here where I can put like maybe my passport or like little things, and then there's a lot of space for my phone and my little purse. So yeah, I am going to protect this bag. And yeah, so about the price, the original price of this bag was like 1,600 euros ish, and I got it for 970 euros, and with the de-tax I should get back 104 euros, so I think it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase. I think I'm going to start using it on my trip here, and yeah, super excited. So that's all for my haul so far, and I'm going to continue editing my Disneyland video now, and hopefully I will upload it tonight. So yeah, Nothing else planned for today. I'm just going to chill. As usual, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and a bientôt!